Take a ride in the 2019 Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort. It offers more interior room than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, stability control, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, keyless entry, remote engine start, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, power lift gate, backup camera. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.